Spice BabyFather responds to DHQ Danger accusation of RAPE.
May you fuck all over the world, all over Europe, may you fuck. We were fucking like we were fucking for Jamaica. So don't say that.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, so we're there again and we have Spice BabyFather side of the story, Nicholas Lal, his side of the story, because you know what DHQ Danger accused him of this morning, right? Or last night this morning. And, you know, him went live this morning and him have theme side of the story in theme defense. So he must say things did happen between him and Danger multiple times, but it was 100% consensual. Now theme story is that a Spice tell Danger to say them things here so Danger can get back in a team Spice. So let's hear the first part of what him have to say. Here goes.
I'm wrong. You was wrong. Also, we both were wrong for even fucking each other. But guess what? Just remember this. When we that go around and do a little thing and the fuck while we're up on tour, this was no one time nothing. May you fuck all over the world, all over Europe, may you fuck. We were fucking like we were fucking for Jamaica. So don't say that. What you gain from this? I'm going to ask you now. The amount of people who I see in my inbox that call me rapist. Listen. May have my girl pick them when I love dearly. And if a boy rape one of them, I kill that. I don't support raper, none at all. How much more am I going to take? Wanna label me deadbeat father. I work with it. Danger becomes a raper because Danger want back a Spice. Danger, I heard that you said when they pick you, I say where I pick Danger for. Danger, I'm the one who find you and tall up a mobile. Remember that the night when I come on the stage I dance and I give you guys the CDs to give out and me tell them, say them two girls left from mobile bad. Bring them girls, they come make them girls dance. And you say me this. I have never thought nothing about you. Danger, you so afraid of me. Remember me you talk whole heap, you know. And up to the point when I left, and when I come.
Then our next part now, people, him a talk about when they come back from Europe, him say him still used to go pick her up and bring her go dance and them thing there. But people, you know what I mean, right now this story does far in between because Danger say one thing happened one time, you know, him coming at the hotel room and him a say this wasn't the case, this was multiple times. Him and Danger, you know what I mean, on multiple occasions, then go buy them rubbers and she keep the rubbers them because, you know, him can't make spicy him with no rubbers and them thing there. And him say, even Danger carry news to him about Spice attack to man, so them end up start. Them say it's three sides to every story. His side, her side, and the truth in this case. So I don't know people. Just make me play the next part for you. I want to can farm no opinions. Here goes.
Left come foreign. You used to talk to you. And one day you said to me, you said, talk to you. See? And if we talk to you, Spice not deal with me. That's what I said to you, Danger. Big up yourself. May not be the one to stop your food. Eat your food. And that was the last time you talk. Even before that, when we come from Europe and may you done fuck down the tour and we come back from Europe. May you they all over the place, same way every night me come pick up your Brook Valley. Pick up the other girl them. And if you were so afraid of a man that manipulate and rape you, would you come in a car with me? I don't want to lose my job. You remember when you said that to me? This are the man who you're afraid of, you know. This are the man you rape, you know. What did I say to you? I said to you, say, well, Danger, just big up yourself, you know.
So people, that was just some of what he said. You know, this was a very long live and the thing is he deleted. So, you know, it's all about in a piece. So, you know, more of it will forward and you will get the full story of Waymasef himself. Most of it he might talk about Spice and, you know, how them label him as, you know, deadbeat father and them something there. But people, me telling said Diamond and Danger, them a cousin and Talop, right? Talop and Danger sister. So, Daima send for Danger for come on live with her, you know what I mean? Daima was very upset by what Nicholas just said. So, them they on live, but people tell up say she left Team Spice because, you know, Team Spice took the dance, the robot wine, and she never give her any credit for it. So she and Danger kind of fall out as a sister because Danger was loyal to Spice and said she no one left. So at that them really did a discussing a tall part. But me I go show you what Danger and Daima. As a matter of fact, me show you before how Daima they feel when she hear what him say. Here what go on.
Go Cooper your rapper man blood clot Nicholas. When I tell the people them say you take the bumbo, you go downstairs, go out of hotel, key and go in the room for the little blood clot, girl. Danger get up out of your blood clot better than company life. Cause if you make me talk for then the long blood clot time there. Nobody could have called anyone and bring you down. Yesterday me and this RT boss I come talk about rebel, we put a rebel eye.
So people may go show you that part there in a second with Daima and Danger. But people in here she just mentioned Rebel name. And may I tell you the thing just I get crazy and crazy. Cause I know Rebel and TC get drawn in it. That's a whole different thing. So I don't know what go on, you know what I mean? It look like a beer problem I go on this. But anyway, here is the video of Daima and DHQ Danger. Here goes.
RT, me see one comment where RT boss saying he never call me name.
You not dancing Spice, you not have to make up. No,
Exactly.
You're not there
But I an idea. I an idea. Remember saying remember say me don't lose my work, so me not have nothing to lose. So remember in the first place why me never thought me never want to lose my work. Remember say that the problem. Me never want to lose my work. Remember say me I come from nothing. You know how long me want to go town? And me sit down and me pray to God. And me look in the sky. And me I say, God, me want go town. No, me I thought before me going at this something. Me want go town, me want go town, me want reach a town. God, me can't forget when me sit down for me fucking cousin up a robbers.
If I went Danger alone, nothing not talk. Danger never want talk, no care where Danger here. Every time I hear nothing, I call Danger and tell him. So the man, me say Danger, the man say fucking tell him. Me tell everything, me tell Danger. Now me tell everything every time. I ask the time, me just can't bother, me just afraid to talk. Me can't take exile, me know me that a dramatic thing. No ball! Don't ball! You shall lock him up, we a ball for. Ball Danger, can you make me start ball? No, say no ball. Me tell talk long time, I wicked them. Don't ball, talk.
Me just grieve. That you not even know. Me just grieve. Me just grieve. So never born you say thing that you just have to ball, brother.
Top ball and top ball. Make we lock him up. Tell a long time, top ball. Top ball, you know if you're gonna make me ball right now. Top ball, girl. Top ball.
Girl, me I tell her say, me up at the place and look up me and beg God say me want go town, cause nothing na go on be. And it come like a worst blood clot thing.
Spice do a lot for you still, you know. You will have your own bus so big like oh Spice make you big.
Say, the man is a little dog shit and me hate him. Actually, you not even know.
Top ball
Man,
and talk.
me not even know. Me not know why I say, but two little things me hear people I say. The man I go talk about. We fucking at every hotel room. So where the fuck you know what? You're not sure. You why you know?
Me not like listen to me like me listen to the live and hear for myself. No say no until you listen back for him live. You must see live because Pink was soon having king mix up. Somebody soon having soon about you see. You know Danger, you're not telling a lie, me believe you.
Everything when me talk last night, me don't want Afia do this. Me don't want Afia do this. Every time me talk about it, just bring me I want place.
Man know say he know say he know what he do. And what your Spice are there again, you know that crew. So just talk to how it is. Just talk and tell the truth and make everything done and make body mind free. Just tell the truth. Why you fuck you make up a story and tell life and
Me I go take you go court, come in a bag and the trace in a back and forth. Cause I want a little batty man, I want a little bitch. You come like say I want to name me, you want to clout him a chase. Cause what the fuck, even if you say you not do it and you not do it, why man I go make up lie?
Yeah, make up life for. Why you make up story for? Which every hotel you
why man I make up story? Then I know me not hear what you saying now because me not get a chance. But if me and you fuck better talk or it go, or you come in, or you reach in the sign of first place, for me and you fuck talk what you do, brother. talk how it go. Number one, in good on the place, go tell them, say, the key for my room, whatever number at the time,
Then
la.
you understand what you mean.
And the man come and the man pull the door and the man come in. So what you say, even if you come in already and then you end up getting me, oh you go, you're not supposed to take the key, you're not supposed to come in and for you come in, me depend no. Me depend no, you can't do that. No, Spice I go bake. So me appear there something that me I say. You can't do that. And that appear that me depend. The man no care in a 1 year, no in a 1 year that all junk and coke out stacking.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.